So today is interior day, and my interior technician is on vacation right now, so I'm doing dents on one day and interiors on another day, and just kind of switching it around and taking care of everything. So today I have a unique situation. I have a customer of mine that has a very beautiful car, and apparently you cannot get parts for this car. It's a brand new car, but you can't get parts for it. Maybe you can guess in the comments below what kind of car it might be. But his dog chewed a part of plastic inside the car, and he called me up and he said, hey man, this car manufacturer can't even get the part. They can't even tell me how much it's going to be. Can you work some magic on this thing and see what you can do? So I saw some video. It didn't really explain the whole story. I really need to see it in person. So we'll check that out today and see if I can repair it. Or if I just got to tell him, you got to tough it out, bro. You got to wait. Wait till you can get that part. So we'll see. We'll see. So here we go. Tesla Model X. And his dog chewed up this corner here. Let's go around the other way. Check that out. So, like I said, Tesla can't get that part, but yeah, we got a badass looking car. We got to keep it looking badass. Anyway, let's meet the little doggy. This is before I actually give it some color, and I got it to take shape. I put some special gel inside there, and I had to use some extreme heat just to heat this thing up. And once I give it some color, we'll put the thing back together and see what it looks like. There we go. Here's the finished product. I was really happy with the outcome. The customer was really happy with the outcome. This is a win-win for everybody. So this is some of what we do at JS Dent Plus. Give us a call, text us a picture of the damage of your situation, and see if we can help you out. Here's the culprit. Tokyo. 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 We saw what you did. We saw what you did, little doggy.